Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Mr. Multicraft YouTube channel. My name is Philip, and today we have a Ford F-150. It's the SLT 2016 model. And, well, trying to change out the brake pads on it. And, of course, the lug nuts are giving me a serious problem. They weren't coming off. They had stripped loose this decorative cap right here that goes over the lug nut. The actual lug nut had stripped loose, and it was a 21 millimeter I was using. So what I did was I checked out a few other videos and seen that you can cut it off with a hole saw to make the real lug nut reveal itself, or you can take the next size down, and for this particular truck and lug nut size, it is a 13/16 socket, and you drive it onto there. What I used was a maul, and it seemed to work pretty good. Drived it on there. I used my extension right here to drive it on there, and well, it came off. Now I have to get this off, of course, the socket from the lug nut. So I suppose I will take it, hold it with a pair of channel locks, or put it in a vise of some sort, and then tap the back of this right here, this extension, with my hammer, and go and get some new lug nuts for the truck. Probably order some, because I don't want to have to go through this again. Hope this helped. Like I said, 13/16 for this model truck, 2016 Ford F-150 two-wheel drive with the total of 4 brake discs in the back. That's the type of truck I have. And 21 millimeter normally fits the decorative cap, but if you want to reveal the actual lug nut underneath, if this did not work, then you can get a hole saw that's big enough to go right up inside of there, around the decorative cap, and it'll cut the actual plastic on the back side of this decorative cap, and then you can pull off the front and get to the actual steel nut that is in there. So anyway, hope that helped you. Drop a comment, a like, if you did appreciate it. And if you like outdoors, hunting, frogging, fishing, bushcrafting, check out our main channel, Cajun Country Boys, on YouTube. Thank y'all. God bless. Have a good one.